With over 75% of businesses marketing themselves on Twitter, it only makes sense to cross-promote your tweets on your WordPress website. The problem is, Twitter doesn't offer an easy way to display your Twitter feed on your website in attractive and engaging ways. That's why in this video, I'll show you how we can create beautiful Twitter carousels like this and embed it onto your WordPress website. Let's get started. To display our Twitter feed on our WordPress website, we'll use the Smashballoon Twitter Feed Pro plugin. This plugin lets you embed your Twitter content in a beautiful and responsive feed on your WordPress website. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase the plugin. Then you can find your download link and license key inside your Smashballoon account. Download the plugin and log into your WordPress dashboard. To install Twitter Feed Pro, go and hover over Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. Then click on Upload Plugin at the top here. Now you can select and upload the zip file for Twitter Feed Pro and click Install Now. Then we can also activate the plugin as well. There we go, our plugin is now installed. Before we create our Twitter carousel, let's activate our license key. Go hover over Twitter feed on the left-hand side and click on Settings. Here we can enter the license key that we copied earlier, like this, and click Activate. And now our license key is active and we can start creating our Twitter carousel. To create our carousel, head over to Twitter feed on the left-hand side and click on All Feeds. Then at the top, click on Add New. Here you can choose the type of Twitter feed you want to display on your website. You can create a feed of any user timeline, a feed of tweets from any hashtag, a feed made up of your home timeline, and more. You can even select multiple feed types by clicking on more than one tile like this. You can choose the one you like. For this video, let's go with the hashtag feed and click Next. Now it will ask you to connect your Twitter account to Smashballoon. Click on Connect, and this will take you to Twitter where it's requesting your permission to connect Smashballoon to your Twitter account. All this is doing is allowing Smashballoon to view the data it needs. Authorizing Smashballoon will not allow it to tweet on your behalf or make any changes to your account. So this is completely safe. Go ahead and click on Authorize App. And there we go, the connection was made successfully. Now, since we selected hashtag feed, we can specify the hashtags that we want to display our tweets from. I'm going to type in hashtag GoPro for this example. If you want to add any more hashtags, simply add a comma after the first hashtag like this and type in your next hashtag. Once you're happy with your hashtags, you can click on Next. On this tip, you can choose from several different templates for the appearance of your Twitter feed. You have options like Default, Masonry cards, Simple Carousel, Simple cards, and more. In this video, since we're creating a Twitter carousel, let's select Simple Carousel and click on Next. And now you can see a beautiful live preview of our new Twitter feed carousel. All the latest tweets for hashtag GoPro are displayed here in a beautiful carousel that you can swipe through. Our Twitter carousel is now ready to be embedded on your WordPress website. But before we do that, let me show you how we can customize it. Under the Customize tab, if you go into Feed Layout, you can modify the layout of your Twitter carousel. We've already chosen carousel here, but if you wanted a different look, you can choose either the list layout, where all of your tweets are arranged in a single column list, or even the masonry layout, which displays all your tweets as tiles like this. Proceeding with the carousel layout, you can customize the appearance even further. You can choose to disable the navigation arrows, you can disable the pagination dots below, and you can even disable the autoplay you see here as well. Then further below, you can specify the number of columns you'd like to display on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Simply click on the drop down here and select the option you want. Once you're happy with the layout of your Twitter feed, go and click on Save on the top right corner. Twitter Feed Pro also allows you to customize the color scheme of your Twitter carousel. Click on Color Scheme under the Customize tab, and by default, you can see that our feed is inheriting the colors from our theme. Alternatively, you can choose from the light or dark presets like this, or you can even go for the custom option and select the exact colors you want for your Twitter feed. Select the color scheme you want and click on Save on the top right corner. With Twitter Feed Pro, you can even preview how your feed will look like on all devices. Just click on the buttons at the top here to see how it will look like on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Once you're happy with your Twitter carousel, you can embed it onto any page on your website. To embed your feed, click on Embed on the top right corner. Here, you'll find a dedicated shortcode for your feed. You can copy it and click on Add to a page. Then select the page you want to add your feed to and click Add. Now on our page, you have two different options to embed your feed. You can either paste the shortcode you copied earlier, like this, into a shortcode block, or if you're using Gutenberg, you can use our dedicated Twitter feed block like this. And there we go, we can now see the amazing Twitter feed we created embedded on our web page. Let's publish this and check out what it looks like on the front end of our live web page. And here we are on a live web page, and right in the middle, you can see our awesome new Twitter carousel. It's displaying all the latest tweets from hashtag GoPro, just like we specified. You can swipe through the tweets by clicking on the arrows here, and at the end, you can click on Load More to load even more tweets for your feed. Alternatively, if you want to embed your Twitter feed on the footer or sidebar of your website, you can do that as well. Just like before, you can click on Embed, but instead of clicking on Add to a page, click on Add to a widget. This will take you to the widgets menu inside WordPress. For this example, let's add our Twitter carousel to the sidebar of a web page. To do so, you have the same two options as before. You can paste the shortcode into the shortcode block, or you can use a dedicated Twitter feed block like this. Right away, you can see your Twitter carousel inside the widget. Let's publish this and check out what it looks like on the front end. Again, back on our live web page, you can see that we have the Twitter carousel that we created earlier, but now we also have a sidebar along with a Twitter carousel embedded within as well. So we've successfully added a Twitter carousel both onto our web page and into the sidebar as a widget. If you have any questions about what we covered in this video, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you have any technical issues, please get in touch with our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.